Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out the YouTube algorithm. Also, subscribe if you're new. I would also really appreciate that, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I put a new video. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. hope you all enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. Maybe we can even pass 30 likes. So make sure to smash that like button. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, and I would really appreciate it. And also subscribe if you're new, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And also comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here is Naruto Baryon mode. Woo! I've been waiting to release this one. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully y'all thought it was really cool. I really like the colors and everything about the drawing. I also really like how I added Pigma in the background. I think that added a really nice touch to the drawing. And also, if you are excited for the next Boruto episode, make sure to smash that like button because I am so excited. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn before that you really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. And I also have a Boruto playlist there, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time, everybody, peace.